Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of the InFocus Vision 3. The seal is still on. I've just received it from InFocus India. On this phone you get a dual rear camera of 13 megapixels plus 5 megapixels, and for the front camera we have a beautifying functionality. Then for the screen it has a 5.7 inch full HD, and this phone costs 7,999 rupees, straight from India. InFocus. It has 2 GB RAM and 16 GB ROM. So let me unbox it. And we see what's inside. I thought this would work. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'm so eager to see what's inside. Wow. This is the InFocus. This is how it looks like. It has a fingerprint. It has a power button is here, and you have the volume button this side. It's actually a nice phone. Let's see what's inside the box. We have the user manual here. Let's put this aside. We have a warranty card. Then have the USB cable, charger. Let me see this charger. Okay, see that later. Then this is for removing the SIM card tray. Actually, this is what you get it from the InFocus Vision 3. Charger, and not seeing the headsets. Doesn't come with the headsets actually. I'm trying to look. Let's see. So this is the InFocus. I'm going to remove this. Wow, it has a nice screen. Let me try powering it on, and we see what we get. Boom. InFocus, it's powering on. So here, when you start it, you choose the language. In my case, it's English, I'll go for next. Then it's asking for a wireless connection. Maybe I can do that later. Then I'll put here my name. Johnson Dev. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll be so grateful because it's asking for, I think I'll set up all those later. It's asking for a fingerprint, I'll do that later. Then the process is finished. We can press finish. Wow, it looks nice. Wow. This is the InFocus Vision 3. It's really a very nice phone. I'll create a video on how this is the task. Oh, this is nice. Let me go to settings. It has 16 GB of storage, then 2 GB RAM, as you see here, and has a processor of 4 cores, and has Android version 4.7.0. Wow, this is a really nice phone. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can hit 1,000 subscribers. YouTube is going to cut off from being partners to YouTube. So please subscribe. If you like this video, it helps me to get more energy to create more videos. Thanks. This was the InFocus Vision 3 unboxing. Bye bye.